Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the prison system which has been stated in Kautilya Arthashastra. There existed two types of jails: prison in which people convicted by judges were kept, lockup in which people punished by higher officials for non-payment of fines. There was a chief superintendent of jail. Jail had common wall, waterway, latrines and bathrooms. There were separate jails for men and women. Prison officer would be responsible for the safety and welfare of the prisoners. So, identical today we have prisons where convicts are kept, and what probably Kautilya is speaking about lockup for non-payment of fines. That must be the civil prisons which we have today, or something, a detention centers. Now, as far as chief of the jail is concerned, identical position we have today. Today also we have jails for men and women which are separate. Prison officers are equally responsible for the safety of the inmates into it. We also have a jail manual today. Based on that jail manuals, the things function. Let us see what more regarding prison system Kautilya had to say. General amnesty. This would happen on every month's full moon days, Purnima, and on king's birthday for the following kind of prisoners: minors, aged people, sick people, helpless people. So, what we see is an amnesty scheme which would have been floated, and because of which the people who were in the prison would be left free, either in the Purnima day, that is full moon's day, or the birthday of kings. Initially we also had this kind of things, but slow and gradually we no more have this kind of ways of living on amnesty. So friends, this was a prison system which is mentioned by Kautilya. Now what is important to note is that this is one of the unique thing we have found out, because in the Smritis which we have discussed, that is Yajnavalkya, Brihaspati, Narad, Vishnu, none of those Smritis speak on the prison system or jail system for that purpose. Also none of them speak on how the jail should function. So I think this is a very unique comment which has been mentioned in the Kautilya Arthashastra as to how the prison should function. Thank you.